guys, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to show you how to upgrade the RAM of your laptop. This method applies to any laptop. Right now I'm working on Dell Latitude series laptop. So for that you have to take out the back cover. Gently remove all the screws and take out the back cover. Now the RAM I'm going to use is of form factor sodium, which is the form factor for RAMs for laptop, and it's a DDR4 8GB RAM. Also note the frequency at which the data transfers, which is 2666 in this case. In my laptop there are already two slots. One, the RAM is already installed, and the other one, which is empty, I'm going to put my RAM. Put the RAM gently and press it down until the pins snaps it in the place. You can hear the sound of it also. Now put the back cover back. Now turn on the laptop. You'll get the BIOS warning in which it says the RAM has been updated. Just click continue on it and log in into your PC. Now press Ctrl Alt Delete to open Task Manager, and under Performance tab you'll find the memory usage. Here you can see that the 2 out of 2 slots are used, and the form factor of the RAM was sodium, and the frequency of the initial RAM, which was the lower one, was 1200 MHz, and the ability capacity is now 16 GB.